How to change Spotify password. To get started, first of all, open up your web browser. Then, go over to Spotify.com. Once you're in the Spotify website, tap on the settings icon that you can find on the top right corner. Then, you need to tap on View Account on the top. After that, once you're here, scroll down to the bottom and go to Security and Privacy. Here, tap on Change Password. After that, once you're here on this page, you need to type in your current Spotify password on this section. Then, just go ahead and type in your new password. Make sure that your new password follows the requirements mentioned below. Then, once you're done, just repeat your new password again to confirm. After that, tap on Set New Password. Following these easy steps, you can easily change your Spotify password whenever you want. And that is exactly how to change Spotify password.